Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord error 3002. So when there's no sound coming out of your Discord, the first thing you want to check is to go to your settings. Then go to your privacy and security. Scroll down, go to microphone. Scroll down and make sure Discord is enlisted here. Let desktop apps access your microphone. Make sure it's enlisted, yeah? And still, if you're getting the error, you can just go to Discord, open your Discord, go to settings, voice and video, and make sure output device is set on default. And the microphone is set on default as well. If you have a specific microphone that you're connected to, then you can select that one. But for now, I'm putting default. And that's it. You're done.